Then Richard update, yung pagbaba ni Alden sa kotse, oh. Ang lupit, oh. Astig yung kotse ni Alden, oh. Inabangan si Alden dyan sa GMA Gala 2025. Let us reserve very well with Alden.
Myself also.
Moreover, it is also a form of gratitude to all of you who continue to support the network.
Si stage si
This
Alden.
is a night of appreciation. We are putting the spotlight on the hard work and perseverance of our Kapuso family through the unveiling of the newest GMA Station ID.
Yan, papalitan yung GMA Station ID. Kasi
Your heart and soul are at the core of the production of this. And that is why it is with great pride and honor that I present to you, ladies and gentlemen, the newest GMA Station ID.
yun, kasi Alden na i-present. Papalitan yung GMA Station ID. Michael V. Endo.
Kapuso, maraming salamat
Sa inyong pagmamahal,
Dong Young.
sa inyong walang sawang
Alden, oh.
pagsuporta.
sa pagtitiwala at patuloy niyong ibinibigay
Sa inyong matatamis na hindi.
Michael V.
sa maigpit niyong yakap
Ngayon siyang
na namandaman
Diba, Alice?
ng lahat
At sa
And
inyong
then,
pagtanggap sa amin.
sa inyong puso at kahangalan.
Pasilip pa naman. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.